Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Pretty cool looking 3D kind of flower. Pretty easy to draw. Let's just start with an ellipse. You know what? I'm going to change my page back to. I was helping somebody. I'm going to change my page back to my size. And I'm going to draw an ellipse, but not holding down the control button. So it's not a perfect ellipse, an oval. I'm going to go up to object and convert it to a curve. And when I do that, I get these handles. If you will take these handles of this, hold down the shift key, because you don't have to hold down the shift key in this case, and just go like that, you kind of get a pedal effect. Now let's take it with the pick tool. Let's move it up here out of the way. Let's Control D and make a duplicate, and then move the center rotation of that node and rotate it 10 degrees, and then Control D all the way around. Now, I want to convert this later to a yellow, but right now I'm going to convert it to a black by right clicking. I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate while holding down the shift key with the two-sided arrow. I'm going to bring it in, make it smaller. Now I'm going to make this outside. Whoop. Okay, I didn't group it together. Let me back up here. Let me group this together, Control G, and then Control D and make a duplicate, holding down the shift key to just bring it in. Now I'm going to right click and make this yellow, or really any color. Let me get this out of the way. Now I'm going to select both these items, and I'm going to go to Effect and Blend 200 times. That's probably more than you need. And you get this unusual looking thing. But now if we will kind of go in here and select the black only, go up to Object, Order, Back a Page, you get that right there. It actually looks like there's a shadow. You know what? And I could probably do it more than 200 times because you can see the lines. Let's do that. Let's back up here. And let's grab them both. I think the most you can blend is $9.99. So we'll go $9.99. It's going to take a little bit longer because it's doing a lot of work. But I think it'll be pretty cool. And then click off of it and grab that black and go up to Object, Order, Backup Page, and you're going to get that look. Maybe even more stunning than this one. Not really much difference, but when you zoom in, it looks, so it actually looks like there's a shadow. To me, that's why I decided to make the video in between the petals. And then always if we put a black box around it, to me, it just helps it pop out. See, I've got so much going on. Maybe there it is. It takes a while because of the blend. So click on the black box, go up to Object, Order, Backup Page. And that really makes it kind of like pop out. Anyway, hope that helped you a little bit. Thank you for watching.